Good morning, students. Yes, today we'll see a question, page 3.40. In this question, A, B and C are three partners and the ratio is 3:2:1. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2015 is given. Assets and liabilities are given here. All the partners A, B and C decided to share profits in future equally with effect from 1st April 2015. So for this, regarding this change in the ratio, goodwill of the firm to be valued 3 lakh, land be revalued rupees 1,60,000, land की जो balance sheet में value that is 1 lakh and revalued value जो है that is 1,60,000. Regarding the building, in balance sheet it is given for rupees 1 lakh, but now the revaluation is depreciated by 6%. Creditors are given in the balance sheet rupees again 1 lakh, and creditors of rupees 12,000 were not likely to be claimed and hence be written off. Now we have to prepare revaluation account, partners capital account. See how to make this revaluation account and partners capital account. First of all, see revaluation account. Page, this is question the page number 3.40. So see regarding the revaluation account. Land is to be revalued rupees 160. In balance sheet it is given 1 lakh. So take this be depreciated by 6. Land and building both be depreciated by 6%. By land account, this is rupees 60,000 appreciation हुआ, so उसको हम निकालेंगे क्रेडिट साइड में. Regarding the building, it is depreciated by 6%. Building की वैल्यू है 1 lakh. Now it is depreciated by 6%. So two building assets की वैल्यू कम हुई है. It comes in this side to building around 6,000 rupees. Only 3 adjustments are given regarding the land, building, and also creditors. Creditors are also given in balance sheet in the liability side rupees 1 lakh, and now 12,000 are not likely to be claimed. 12,000 रुपये ऐसे हैं creditors जिनको हमें पे नहीं करना. So this we come with credit side by creditors. This is decrease in liability. Increase in assets comes here, decrease in liability comes here, and decrease in assets and increase in liability comes in the debit side. So take the total of this revaluation account first. Total is 60 and 12,000. 72,000 is the total of this account. Balance comes to be 66,000, which is to be divided among the three partners as profit on revaluation transfer to capital account. This is the profit from the revaluation account which is transferred to the partners capital account. Credit to partners capital account. Profit on revaluation transferred to A's capital account, B's capital account, and C's capital account. There, yes, stress. Their old ratio is 3:2:1. So this profit on profit which comes from revaluation account be divided among the partners in their old ratio. So 66,000 divided between A, B, and C, 3:2:1. So 33,000 goes to A, 22,000 goes to B, and 11,000 rupees goes to C's capital account. In this way, this is a revaluation account. After this, now see how to make partners capital account. First of all, see the balance which is given in the balance sheet. Balances in the balance sheet are given 2 lakh, 1 lakh and 50,000 rupees. By balance drawdown 2 lakh, 1 lakh and 50,000 rupees. Now come to see next in balance sheet it is given general reserve regard amounted to rupees 60,000. So distribute general reserve in the old partners in their old ratio. By general reserve 60,000 is given, so divide this 3:2:1 in their old ratio. 30,000, 20,000 and 10,000. Next regarding the revaluation से जो प्रॉफिट आया, जो हमने रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट बनाया था, फ्रॉम दिस वी ट्रांसफर टू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट 33,000, 22,000 and 11,000. Now come to see about the regarding the goodwill. Goodwill of the firm is rupees 3 lakh now valued. This is valued for the purpose change the profit sharing ratio. So for this we have to make gain sacrifice, subtract A's old minus new. See this working out. Is old minus new. Old is 3/6, new is 1/3. In this way, A gains, A sacrifice 1/6. 1/6 sacrifice. Now regarding the B, 2/6 minus 1/3. We have no gain, no loss in this changing ratio. So regarding C, 1/3, 1/6 minus 1/3. A gains 1/6 share. C gains 1/6 share and A sacrifices 1/6 share. So 1/6 of this 3,000, which becomes rupees 50,000 rupees. जो टोटल फर्म की गुडविल की वैल्यू दैट इज रुपीज 3 लाख. सो 1/6 into 3 lakh, दिस इज 50,000 रुपीज, जो कि ए ने सेक्रीफाइस किया था 1/6 शेयर, तो 50,000 इसको मिलेंगे. और सी गेन 1/6 शेयर, तो सी को पे करना है ये 50,000 रुपीज. सो हम क्या करेंगे, सी के अकाउंट को काट लेंगे बाय सीज कैपिटल अकाउंट. सी के अकाउंट हमने डेबिट किया 50,000 रुपीज, और ये पे कैसे करेगा, ए को. किसको पे कर रहा है, ए को. इसी तरह से नेक्स्ट एंट्री रिगार्डिंग द ए को, क्योंकि मिलने पैसे 2 और सी ने जो गेन किया था, तो सी के अकाउंट से पैसे ये डेबिट किए जाएंगे 50,000 रुपीज, और ए के अकाउंट में ही क्रेडिट किए जाएंगे, दिए जाएंगे इनको. नाउ मेक द टोटल ऑफ बोथ द साइड्स. Subtract this 50,000 from this, then we'll get here 21,000 as balance of C's capital account, and its balance carried out. These are the balances of the partners. In this way, we completed the partners capital account. That's all for today. Have a nice day.